Hi, I'm Debbie from Ask Debbie About Hair and the Changing Faces Hair Clinic. And today I want to talk to you guys about something really, really important. So I want you to listen up really, really good. Many of you send me emails, Facebook, text messages, and everyone seems to be asking that same question. Why am I losing my hair? Why is my hair so dry and brittle? Why am I losing my edges? Why am I bald in the crown? There's a lot of why questions, and many of you have already gone to see a dermatologist. You've already gone to your doctors, but you still have unexplained answers, and you're still losing your hair. So I want to finally share with you about something that you need to know. One, your health plays a major role in the condition of your hair. So if you are experiencing where your hair is thinning, you're experiencing hair loss, a really dry, itchy scalp, any of those types of things, it is likely that you are dealing with something that's going on internally. And what I mean by that is it's possibly a nutritional deficiency. It could be a mineral deficiency, a vitamin deficiency, or a nutrient deficiency. Many people deal with mineral deficiencies, so I'm talking about magnesium, calcium, selenium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, copper, manganese, sulfur, all of those minerals. And what I want you to know is that our bodies live off of minerals. We cannot function without these minerals. These minerals help our body run like a well-run machine. However, when something is imbalanced or off balance in our body, where your calcium may be too low or your calcium could be too high, it's going to start causing problems in your body, and in turn it's going to start causing problems with your hair. So for instance, if you have too much calcium in your body, then your hair is going to be dry, your hair is going to be brittle, your scalp is going to be very, very itchy. If you don't have enough selenium in your body, then you too could have where your scalp is tingling, your follicle is inflamed, you have a lot of problems. So I do a test here in my clinic where we take a sample of your hair. I think that's the best way to finally tell you what's going on internally, because a blood test, which is good, but a blood test is not as powerful as taking a sample of your hair. So me using a sample of your hair, I work with many doctors, and they actually analyze that sample, and it comes back and it tells us exactly what mineral you are deficient in, what nutrient you are deficient in. It'll even tell you if you have any toxic elements in your body. And what I mean by toxic elements, I mean lead, mercury, cadmium, arsenic, uranium. So many of us have toxic elements in our body and we don't even know it. It's around us every day. It's in the air. It's in our soil. And many times these toxic elements are the ones that are causing your body to be imbalanced. It's causing hormonal imbalances. It's causing autoimmune deficiencies. And at the end of the day, it's causing hair loss. This test is called a hair mineral analysis, and with the help of science and technology, it is a fantastic way for you to finally know what's going on with your body. So yes, for me being a hair loss specialist and a nutritionist, when you come to me, I want to know what your hair loss problem is. But taking a hair sample test or hair mineral analysis, it helps me to help you know what's really causing the problem. So what's happening is we're finally getting to the root cause of what's causing your hair loss. So your body actually communicates with you when she or he is having problems. Just like I'm going to use a car for an example. When your check engine light comes on in your car, that's your car telling you that there's something wrong. And many of us, we don't disregard the check engine light. We go get it checked out. Well, your body has a check engine light also. So when you are experiencing a dry scalp, an itchy scalp, dry patches, hair loss, thinning hair, those things, that's your body's check engine light telling you that something is going on internally. Even when you're experiencing joint pain, headache, fatigue, all those different things. That's your body's check engine light telling you that something is going on. Now, many of us don't know that, so we will run to the doctor or we'll self-medicate with an Advil or Tylenol. But I want you all to start listening to the signs that your body is telling you. A headache means that you likely don't have enough magnesium in your body. And many people, if you're suffering with migraine headaches, it's likely you may want your doctor to check out your magnesium level, because magnesium, when you have a deficiency of magnesium, it's going to cause headaches. And for instance, when your iron is low, many people are very fatigued, lethargic. You have a cold sensitivity. You may have even like the little spots on your fingernails. That's an iron deficiency. So your body tells you, your check engine light tells you when something is going on. And when you are experiencing hair loss, that's that check engine light telling you that something is going on. Now, 90% of our hair loss is because of something internal going on. But there's that 10% of hair loss and thinning hair, which really has nothing to do with anything internal. It's probably from bad hairstyling, poor hair key, too much heat on our hair, chemicals, relaxers, color. That's that 10% of hair loss. Braiding, sew-ins, those things can cause hair loss if it's not done properly. But 90% of the time when you're suffering with hair loss, dry scalp, so many things are going on with your hair and scalp, that is a warning sign. That is that trigger. Your body is triggering you, saying, hello, something is wrong. So this test is a test that can finally tell you what's wrong, because many times our illnesses, it starts at the nutritional level. It starts at the vitamin deficiency level. And so this test to me is just so important because it can answer so many questions. And then if you finally know that, hey, I need some zinc, hey, I need more selenium, my potassium is low. If you can find out that those are the reasons why other things are going on in your body, then now you can naturally fix those issues without a bunch of medication or without years of going back and forth, suffering and wondering what's going on. So the reason why I'm sharing this is because I want more people to know about this test. I think it's an amazing test. I take the test, my family take the test. I think it's a test that people should take once a year. It's not a cheap test by any means, but it is a fantastic test. Now, in my office, we do offer it, I think, at probably one of the most reasonable prices. But I'm not here to market this. I'm here to just share it with you, because whatever city and town you're in, you can find a doctor, a facility that can do a hair mineral analysis there. So I'm not trying to promote it for me, even though we do it here. I just want more people to know about this test, because this test is a game changer. It really is. Now, I do it here, and we do have clients from all over the country that not necessarily have to come into my office, because we have a program and we can do it with you even if you are in another city or state. But it's a great test. So if you want to finally restore your health and restore and revitalize your hair, I suggest you learn more about a hair mineral analysis. It is a game changer. So check out the link in this description in this video, and I have more information, more detailed information that can help you learn more about the test. Let's get growing.